This is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr, and I'd like to explain our approach with the elements table. The single elements table is the backbone of the whole of WorkMovr. It's a non-traditional approach to database design. Traditionally, one would have a companies table, a locations table, a members table, and administrators table, etc., etc. What we've done is we've put all entities in the single elements table. Okay, and this fits in both with our objective here and also with the way that Caspio works. So our objective is twofold. We first want to have a table structure that can accommodate a wide variety of different types of organization and processes. And so here, for instance, in this elements table here, we have in one of our channels here, we have a list of the major medical consortia here and the accessories that are attached to them. And then in the same application, people with a mobile app are putting in their depression scores. There's a depression scoring system called the PHQ-9. And these are all in the same table. And so what it allows us to do is to have a wide variety of entities and processes that we can accommodate. And secondly, all these accessories, comments, documents, emails, phone, fax, video chat, the same small set of data pages can be attached without any change. They're automatically attached to every entity. Okay, so you can put comments on UNESCO, or you can put comments on Peter Trevelyan's work on November the 29th. Peter Trevelyan is a fictitious name. I just like the name Trevelyan. So what does this look like? So if you look at the table, and this is, we can spend more time looking individually if you wanted to have a session on this. Basically, you have two key areas. You have the channel, so it's a multi-channel system, and you basically have the record type. We call it the kind, but we are running out of words for, type, category, and whatever. And, in British English, you use that much more. What kind of dog do you have? And so this is really the record type, okay? And you can see, enlarging this a little bit so it's easy to see, you can see that in the same set of records, and this is just a random set of records I picked up for a particular channel, you'll have an element 3, which in this case is actually a motor vehicle. The manager who is managing the whole enterprising. Element 4 is a parking permit, and then you have members or customers, and they have subscriptions, so they pay every month for their parking places, okay? And so you have subscription instances in here as well. And so, as you say, unusual and perhaps a little bit awkward to some, but it really works out well, and it's done really well, especially with the accessories as far as, voice and chat attached to each different entity and whatever. Okay. And so we have about, at the moment, 22 variations of elements. We have the elements table, because we have a variety of activity going on in there. It's a longish table, 145 fields at the moment, but that fits in well with Caspio, because what we're trying to do here is we're trying to save on the Caspio development resource insofar as we don't need a different voice subsystem for each type of element. And you can see that from a development point of view, every data maintenance panel, even though this is actually a custom one, this is generic, this is custom, but it's all exactly the same. This is just a photocopy of that one with a couple of fields and labels changed. Okay, so that's unusual, non-traditional, but really works well. And then what we'll do, we'll go through each of the element types one by one and explain a little bit further. Thank you very much.